Everyone, I'm Veena Sridhar. Welcome to my new cooking channel. Today I am going to show you carrot halwa, which is very delicious and yummy. It's my mom's recipe actually. Please make a note of the ingredients. People who are diet conscious can use sugar free instead of sugar. Take a non-stick pan, put 4 spoons of ghee and allow it to heat up. Then add cashew, almonds and raisin. Add grated carrot and fry for 5 minutes till you get a nice aroma. Now add half liter of milk to the carrots and bring it to boil and keep stirring continuously. Once the carrot is half cooked, add sugar to it and keep stirring till the water gets absorbed. Then add 1 tablespoon ilachi powder and mix it well. Transfer into a bowl. The bowl may look small in the video. Lastly, decorate with dry fruits and relish yummy carrot halwa. I hope you will all try this recipe. Try this and enjoy this. Thanks for watching. Love you all.